Hello friends and welcome back. All right, are you ready to draw a bird? Here we go. The first thing that we are going to draw is a rainbow line, a short rainbow line. This is going to be the head. From this side, we're going to draw the back of our bird. And on this side, we're going to draw the bill or the beak. So from here, bring it out on a diagonal. Depending on what kind of bird you're making, you can make your beak longer or shorter and then bring it back in. It should be like a V on its side. We're going to connect this line to this line with a smiley face line, and that is going to be our bird's body. Next, up here, we're going to add an eye, and we're looking at the side of our bird, so we only need one eye. Then we need to add his tail feathers. Back here, I want you to bring one line up, skip some space with your finger, and bring it up again. And another line. And one more. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Okay. Now we're going to take this top line and connect it to the second line with a curve. Do the same thing again. Second to the third line. The third to the fourth line. These are our tail feathers. Now we're going to draw a wing. Take a line over and down. And now we're going to make those lines, but we're not bringing them all the way in. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's his wing. And now we need 2 feet and legs. They're very skinny, so we can make 2 little lines at the bottom and claws. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you have your bird. The next thing you need to do is you are going to color your bird. You need to decide what kind of bird you're going to make. Is it going to be a blue jay? Will it be a cardinal? Will it be a parakeet? Or canary? Will it be a woodpecker? What kind of bird did you choose to make? I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to color my bird. I would like you to decide what color you're going to color your bird and do that also. And we will be right back. Please color your bird and then push play when you're finished. Please pause your video and color your bird. All right, I have decided to color my bird red because I chose to make a cardinal. This is a real photograph of a cardinal. Do you see how he has some black around his beak or his bill and a little bit of black in his wings? This is a male cardinal. The male cardinal is the boy. Male birds are much more beautiful than females. The boys have more beautiful bright colors in their feathers than the girls do. Isn't that crazy? Tail feather, wing. And then I'm going to make his body red. Because I know his feathers, the feathers on a cardinal are red if it's a male. If it's a female, the female looks a little bit different. I'll see if I can bring up a picture of the female cardinal. In just a minute, after I color my cardinal all red, I'm going to turn them around so I can concentrate on this for a second. I hope you're staying inside your lines. I'm trying really hard to stay inside mine. Make it really beautiful. And I'm observing that the cardinal has a little tuft of feathers right on top of his head. You see that? It's almost like a triangle. And I'll show you a female if I can find one. Oh, there's a female. So there's a male cardinal, lots of bright red feathers, and there's a female. She's more brown with some red feathers in between. And they have this little tuft of hair on the top, and it's kind of a triangle shape. So I'm going to make some feathers up here so that I remember that I have made a cardinal. Okay, now I hope that you are finished coloring your bird. If you're not finished coloring your bird, please pause the video and finish. Then I want you to get your regular pencil again. We are going to label our bird. Now I have a cardinal, but the cardinal can be labeled just like the eagle. So no matter what kind of bird you colored, you can also label your bird the same way. All right, here we go. Let's label beak or bill. Take a line and touch your beak or your bill and bring it out. And let's write the word beak. It's right here. B. We're copying that word. B. E. And A makes that E say its name. B. E. K. Beak. Okay. And now we have the label for head. Take a line, touch your head. I'm going to go this way. And we're going to write head. And head has an A in it. Ed. Head. And there's the word head. Let's see what we have over here. Oh, what does that word say? Yes, eye. Touch your eye and bring a line out. And we're going to write the word eye. E. Y. E. Eye. Okay, next I see wing. Take a line, touch your wing, Bring it out. It's going to kind of be on a slant, so I'm going to turn my page a little. Wing. There it is. What? Ing. I-N-G. Says wing. Back here. What does that word say? Yes, tail. Touch your tail. Bring the line out. Tail. T. A. And I makes that A say its name. T. A. O. Those are the tail feathers. And finally, we have claws. Claws. K. O. Ah. A-W says ah sometimes. Claws. Great. Now you have labeled your bird, just like we labeled the eagle. Down at the bottom of your paper, and we're going to write the word bird. Ready? Let's write the two words, the bird. All right, the. The is a sight word. T-H-E spells the. T, and we're going to use a capital T. H. E spells the. We're labeling the whole picture now. The bird. And we're going to use a capital B for bird. This is like the title of our picture. The bird. The bird. Please put your name on your paper. And then you need to make this paper look as beautiful as you can. So if you have watercolor paints, you can paint the background. But if you don't have watercolor paints, that's okay. You can color the background. You can make your whole background blue right over those words, but not over the bird. You can make a branch for your bird to sit on if you'd like. I think I'm going to add a little branch so that my bird has somewhere to go and it's not just floating, because it doesn't look like it's flying to me. But maybe yours is flying. Color your whole background. You shouldn't see any white. Make it beautiful. Take your time. Oops. Try and color in all one direction. Okay. That is beautiful. And now I'm going to add a little branch for my bird to sit on. There. Now I have my bird with its background. I've labeled my bird. I've labeled the parts. I labeled my picture, the bird. My name is on my paper and my whole paper has been colored and it's been taken care of. Okay, please finish that up and I have something to share with you. This picture will go back into your material folder and please send that back to your teacher, okay? All right, now, sometime this week, we are going to make something very special for your observations. So please gather 2 toilet paper tubes, okay? 2 toilet paper tubes. Make sure you find those. Or you can do 1 paper towel tube, okay? 1 paper towel tube or 2 toilet paper tubes. You will need these for Friday, okay? So please save your toilet paper tubes or a paper towel tube and have those ready for Friday. All right, friends, thank you. I hope you are very happy with your bird. And I hope you've learned a lot this week so far. All right, see you tomorrow. Thank you.